Hello, today I'm going to show you how I send out an email with mailer gold. Now, this is a mailer, a safe list. Okay, they call it different things. And so this is where now you need to be an upgraded member of this, but it only costs for right now, I think about $23, $24 one-time cost, and you can send out to the mailer one time every 3 days. And this is buyer traffic. These are to people who have who have purchased this. Okay, and so this is really good. So I'm in my back office. You see the dashboard is right here. You can also reach this by going to Solar, Add Mailer. Okay, and there's help for training. If you ever get caught, just go back and almost every program has a video to it explaining how to use it. Okay, it's just, I know life is short. You've got a lot going on your plate and you don't want to sit through a video. So here we sit together. Anyways, you click that to send it right now. This says you are ready. You have 3,400 members that you can mail to. And here's the different text that you can send. And if you don't know what that is, just ignore it. Now, the one big thing that I would say here is make sure you click the 3,400 mailer gold. It's mailer gold for silver and gold members, okay? Gold is what I am. That's how I can send out a mail to this list every 3 days, and this is like one of the best mailers, safe lists that I've ever had. There's a couple other ones that are really good too. So really encourage you to take a look at this one. Okay. Now this, I'm going to change this. I'm going to make this more simple. Or more. So turn $10 into $3,905 a month or more just by giving this system away to 5 people. And then I use this I use that one because that matches. And this one is one that you have to post in here. And then I would encourage you to start putting your name in places, even when you can't, post your picture. Put your name in there so people start getting used to seeing your name. This is all about branding yourself, because remember, it takes momentum to get going. Now, is that a true statement? Yes, it is. If you find 5 people that are willing to copy you, willing to work this into used mailers, use safe lists, and you click the link because you want to make sure that it comes up. This always takes longer on my computer. Yep. So it came up. So now we can close this. And this is the email right here. I just double check to make sure I have that clicked. And I click send mail. Okay, and then I'll be able to send another email to the 3,400 people in another 3 days. And so this is, like I said, it's amazing cost. I couldn't believe it. It was just like when I bought it, when you purchase it, the more people that come into this, the more expensive it's going to get. So I suggest that you come into this, of course, as soon as you can. But that's how easy it is to send out an email. Okay. The key is to have the email match the capture page and everything. And this is just on GDI. That 3,900 for the 5 people giving the system away, that's just with one income stream. We have 15, 16 income streams I have in my funnel. Now, you don't have to have that many. You don't have to have the same exact ones. You can use different ones. Okay, I do suggest to at least look at some of your sponsors. You know, they're giving you the funnel to you for free. You've got share codes. All you have to do is do the share codes. So look at a couple of the traffic. It's a win-win situation. You're getting more traffic to send to your funnel, plus you're helping your sponsor to earn a couple, $1 or so for commissions. And then when the next person joins you, they'll be joining for maybe one of your traffic resources that'll help you, and then you can put more money into your traffic, and it scales. That's how the system scales and how the funnel pays for itself. It's budget friendly. Okay, and this is one of the most budget friendly traffic resources in the funnel that I have. There's a few more in there too, and that are really good. So I really encourage you to go down below this video. You'll see the link for Mailer Gold, but you also see the link to the funnel. Check it out and see if it's possibly what you've been looking for too. God bless and take care.